Good morning, students. Here I am going to take a new chapter, Coordinate Geometry. What's the heading? Coordinate Geometry. Now listen, what's coordinate geometry? The location of the points and their relationship with some geometrical figures is known as coordinate geometry. Here we deal points and the relationship with the points and some geometrical figures is called coordinate geometry. Now listen, this is a flat surface. This board is a flat surface. We can divide this flat surface or plane, the word is P-L-A-N-E, plane, into 4 equal quadrants using x-axis and y-axis. X, x dash, y, y dash. Once again, the plane we divided into 4 equal quadrants using x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal axis is known as x-axis and the vertical axis is known as the y-axis. Horizontal axis is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as the y-axis, or we mark it as x, x dash and y, y dash. Understand? Now look here. Now that how to plot points. The intersection of x-axis and y-axis is known as origin. O, 0, 0. That means here x is 0, y is 0. 0, 0. Origin means the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis. And again, on the x-axis, look here, this is the x-axis. Usually we write 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Actually that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. And in the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And above we mark 1, 2, 3. Below, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And you know that this is the first quadrant. First quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. Therefore, both the points are positive. Plus, plus. Suppose the question is 3, 2. Where that 3, 2 lies? 3 is positive, 2 is positive. Therefore, 3, 2 lies on the first quadrant. Understand? Now, look here. What about the second quadrant? In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. Therefore, minus plus. X you have to write first and y second. Not write y first. X first, y second. Therefore, in the second quadrant, minus plus. Then what about in the third quadrant? Write in order. Third quadrant here. Third quadrant, x is negative. Same way, y is also negative. Minus, minus. Understand? Then what about the last quadrant, fourth quadrant? In the fourth quadrant, we know that x is positive, y is negative. X is positive and y is negative. Study this. In the first quadrant, both the coordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, minus plus. In the third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. And about the fourth quadrant, the first one is plus and the second one is minus. Okay. Now, next one is how to plot points. Plotting the points. These are the x-axis and y-axis. You can mark 1, 2, 3, etc. minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Suppose my question is plot. Listen. Plot 3, 2. Plot 3, 2. That means mark the point 3, 2. What's the meaning 3, 2? Actually, the general notation of a point is x comma y. Right? X comma y. That means x 3, y 2. Where you can mark x3. This is x3. But y2 means this is. Therefore, this is the point 3, 2. Listen. Now, where you can mark minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3. Both negative means that is in the third quadrant. Understand? Minus 1. That means x first. Minus 1. Minus 3. This is the point. Minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Now, where you mark 2, 0. Where you mark 2, 0. What is the meaning 2, 0? X 2, y 0. Along the x-axis, y is 0. Along the x-axis, y is 0. That means 2, 0 means this is the point 2, 0. Very important. 2, 0. Suppose the question is 4, 0. 3 here, 4. 4, 0 means this is the point 4, 0. And this is the point 2, 0. And my question is 0, 2, 0, 2. Where you mark 0, 2. X 0, y 2. Along the y-axis, x is 0. Therefore, 0, 2 is this point. 0, 2. Where you mark 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3. Along the y-axis, x is 0. 0, minus 3. This is the way we plot the points. Now listen the next one. Suppose 3 points given. Can you plot the points? And when you join 3 points, can you name the figure obtained? Suppose, listen my question. Plot 3, 2. Understand? 4, 1. 0, 0. These are my questions. Where you mark 3, 2. First you mark 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This arrow is very important. Where you mark 3, 2. 1, 2. This is 3, 2. Agree? Or you can mark it as 8, 3, 2. What is the meaning 4, 1? 4, 1 means this is 4 and 1 means this is the point. 4, 1. B, 4, 1. What is C? C is the origin. C. Then joining this, you will get a triangle. Understand? One question is there. Plot the points and name the figure. If 4 points are there, when you join 4 points, you will get a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means 4-sided figure. Okay, that's the first section of that coordinate geometry. Then one more section from that chapter. Listen, what is that? Equality. We know that xy is the general notation of a point xy, coordinate pair xy. That means x coordinate first, y coordinate second. Suppose xy equal to 1, 2. Can you say what is the meaning xy equal to 1, 2 means x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. That is the meaning. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Suppose my question is x plus 1 comma y plus 4 equal to 3, 9. What's the meaning? Here the first coordinate is x plus 1 and here we put equal sign 3. That means, which implies x plus 1 equal to 3 or x equal to 3 minus 1, 2. What about y? Y plus 4 is equal to 9. From that, y is equal to 9 minus 4, isn't it? Plus 4 when we convert in the other side, minus. 9 minus 4 is 5. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to 5. That is equality of ordered pairs. Then, our main chapter, same chapter, coordinate geometry. The next section is distance formula. Very important chapter. The first one, how to plot the points. Understand? Then what is the meaning equal ordered pairs? Study that type problems. But in the case of distance formula, listen, what is the meaning distance formula? You know that this is x-axis, y-axis. We mark it as x and here we mark y. Suppose 2 points we mark here. The first one A, x1, y1. A, x1, y1. And in another side, B, x2, y2. A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2, B. Any 2 points. x1, y1 and x2, y2, B, any 2 points. Here, our aim is to find the distance between these 2 points. To find the distance, this is the length, distance between these 2 points. To find the distance between these 2 points, we apply the formula AB. What is the meaning AB? AB means the distance between A and B. AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Look here. AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This formula is known as distance formula. Write one example. Write one question. Find the distance between A 3, 5, right, A 3, 5, B 5, 9. A 3, 5 and B 5, 9. Find the distance between, right. Here you can mark the first point as x1, y1 and the second point as x2, y2. Then what is the formula? AB. In all the cases, copy this formula. What's the formula? Root of x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3, the whole square, plus 9 minus 5, isn't it? This is 3, 5. 9 minus 5, the whole square. What is root of 5 minus 3 means 2. 2 square, 4. Plus 9 minus 5, 4. 4 square, 16. That is, what is 4 plus 16? Root 20. Or in the simplest form you can write root of 5 into 4, isn't it? If you take 4 outside, the answer is 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Write one more question. One more question. A is right. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6. B is minus 2, 5. Any 2 points. Our aim is to find the distance. What is AB? Root of minus 2, isn't it? You can mark here x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 3 the whole square. When you operate this negative sign, do it very carefully. Minus x2 is minus, the operation is minus, this is positive 3 minus 3, therefore minus 2 minus 3 the whole square, plus 5 minus minus 6, that changes to 5 plus 6 the whole square. Okay, what is minus 5 the whole square? 25 plus 11 square is 121. Write the answer. Root of 146. Root of 146. Then write one more point. Right. The distance between a point xy, the distance between a point xy from the origin. The distance from a point xy, distance between a point xy from the origin. We can mark the first point as xy and the origin as 0, 0. Our aim is to find the distance between these two, right? AO equal to root of, isn't it? 0 minus x the whole square means minus x square, or x square plus y square. Right, the answer. One point is the origin, then the formula changes to root of x square plus y square, x square plus y square. One example, right? A is equal to 3, 4 and O is the origin. What is distance of the point 3, 4 from the origin? Therefore, what is AO? Root of 3 square plus 4 square. Can you say what is 3 square? 9 plus 16. What is 9 plus 16? Root 25 means 5. Okay, study well.